Hello everyone. Now today I'll be teaching you to make very simple application on Xcode. Very simple. Okay, it's a calculator application, but very simple one. So going up on Xcode, this is Xcode, and let's create a new Xcode project. When you create, now we go, and this is iOS on the application. Okay, and single view application. So by default, single view. So next, and now this is um choose options for your new project. So I'm just gonna call it I'm just gonna call it simple calculator or something like that. Okay, see, so I just call it simple calculator. Now organized name, you can give like your name at the moment. It doesn't matter at the moment, you can give anything like that, but the language is gonna be Swift, and the device is of course gonna be, I'm gonna use universal. Okay, so now it doesn't matter, you can use it or not at this point. So click next, and it's asking me to save the file, so I want to save it in my document. That's fine. And now it says it's ready, so it means it's processing again. Okay, just wait a few seconds now. And then it's ready. So let's go to the view controller script. This is where we write all of our code. Okay, by default these are the codes in here. So and this is main stable. This is the screen of a phone or iPhone or whatever it is. So I want to change the screen, okay, because it's very big. Let's make it 4 inch. Okay, that's fine. And now um so I want to make a simple application. So I want to access label first of all. So let's access it, the label. I want to call it to be, what do you call, okay, calculator. uh, Calculator application. I want to change this font. Okay, let's make it kind of big. Okay, this is fine. Let's increase it, and let's align it exactly in the center, and this is fine now. Calculate application. And now I want to access two things. So of course I want to access now is a text field, no, to just enter the number. So let's put it right here. Okay, so let's double it. Command D equals double, and boom. Okay, this is gonna be the first text field. This is the next one, and I think it's gonna be a button. Okay, let's put a button down on the text field now. Let's search for the button, and okay, let's say to be, not calculate, no, like multiply. Okay, multiply. So A is on text field. Suppose we enter number 2, number 4 here. So when you click multiply, you must show what, 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8, but A is nothing to show. So let's add a next level here to show something. Okay, level. Okay, I just spelled it wrong. Anyway, let's put it right here, and let's say RESUL to result here. Let's increase it. Let's make it, okay, this is fine. Yes, well, let's align it exactly to this. Okay, let's center it, align it is center. So when the user, okay, when the user writes a number, the next number again, and when it clicks multiply, the result should show here. So Now let's go a bit advanced here. So I'm clicking on this text field, and here on keyboard type I want this type to be a number pad. Okay, so when it means when the user clicks here on the number pad comes, by default there is a letter, but I want a number pad. So same thing here, keyboard type is a number pad, and this is all we have to do with some graphics work. So let's go with some coding now. Let's open this. This is the assistant editor, and now let's access all of this. Okay, I don't want to access this one because this got nothing to do with it. So control and drag it. Click on control and drag at the same time. So I want to access it right here. Okay, and I want to call it let's call it value A. This is the first value. Let's click connect. So let's let them as default and click connect. Again the same thing here. So control and drag it right here, and I'm gonna call it, what the heck, okay, value B. Okay, and again leave everything the same one. At least, what the heck is this? So I think I just messed off. Okay, I just messed off here, so I'm not supposed to drag it there. But anyway, control, I was supposed to drag it right here, isn't it? So this is value B, and it connect. Now it's here. Okay, fine. And this is a button here. So button is something that when it's pressed is gonna do some action on something. So button must have an action. It is an action thing. Okay, isn't it? So I want to now just to see what I'm doing here. I want to put this button right down here. Okay, before before the closing of this controller, view controller. So now it's of course gonna be, what do you call, multiply. Okay, multiply, and now connection is gonna be action. Okay, because it's gonna do something when it is clicked here. Okay, then now connect. Now I should also connect this one. So again control and drag it. I want to drag it right here. Okay, I want to call it to be result. That's fine. And now, so every code goes inside this button thing. Okay, so what else should I do now? I want to create a variable called A. Suppose A, so equal to, now I want to get the value from this thing. So I want to get this value from this text field and put into the variable called A. So what I do is very simple. Okay, this text field is equal to value A. Okay, so value, value A dot text is what I want. Okay, when it just access value A dot text, what this does is it accesses everything that's in here. But now look here, only writing by default it is a string value, but I want to access integer, so what I write is to int. Okay, so to make sure it's a is integer one. Similar thing, so let's create the next variable. Let's set to B, and again it's gonna be value B dot text dot to int, and now I access value A and value B. So I access, suppose if the user writes 1, I access 1 here and access in, I say into the variable called A, and if the user writes 2 here, I save it into variable called B, and now I want to multiply. Now what I do is I'm going to create next variable called, what do you say? Okay, let's say it to be a result. It's our result there, so let's say it to be answer equals A, okay, multiply by B. See, I am using this exclamation mark. I know why I use it, but this is, you must use it. in doing this one. And now I accessed is multiplication on the answer variable, and now I'm gonna say this answer to be equal to um, result dot text. Now this is not working properly. Let's see what's wrong in here. Result dot text or result dot text equals answer. Just a minute. Now it doesn't work properly. So okay, I'm doing some wrong, I guess. Anyway, let's do a different way. Okay, so I want to say I would do codes. So the answer is, what's the answer? Of course. Okay, now answer is answer. I think this will work now. I know I didn't work last time. So result of text equals the answer is the same answer. Now let's go ahead and see it. Okay, is nothing here now. It will succeed, so it's gonna pop up within a couple of seconds. And now you go, and yes, this is the first text field. This is the second one. This is action. This is a button here. And when you click the button, the answer should show here. That's what we're supposed to do. And when I just click here, it shows a number pad. See, by default it was a letter, but now it shows number pad because I changed it to be number pad. So I want to suppose click 5, and here I wanna, let's say, 2. So our answer to be 5 multiplied by 2, it must be 10. So you must show the answer is 10 here. So let's see, when I click multiply, it shows the answer is 10, which means this is working fine. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.